In our previous video, we followed an imaginary office worker, Alex, through an ordinary day and saw how AI quietly supports nearly every part of modern life. But AI's impact goes far beyond personal convenience. It's changing how entire industries operate. From healthcare to finance, logistics to retail, AI is helping companies work smarter, faster, and more accurately. As we shift focus from individuals to businesses, one thing becomes clear: AI is reshaping how work gets done at scale. It reduces routine tasks, boosts accuracy, and helps organizations handle complex challenges with ease. Let's dive into a real-world example of how AI is transforming the way companies operate. Let's take the case of Abby's partner, Aisling. They're experts in intelligent automation, working with major organizations around the world to help them simplify and improve how work gets done. Their strength is in designing smart, scalable solutions that bring real results. One of their clients, a global fast food chain with over 40,000 locations, was struggling with a serious challenge: managing and extracting information from thousands of complex lease agreements every year. They had 25 full-time workers manually reading and keying information from these leases into their system. It was slow, expensive, and full of mistakes. Each lease could be hundreds of pages long, arriving in a range of formats like PDF, scans, and document files, often as email attachments. Layouts varied, languages differed, and while most text was printed, handwritten notes and checkboxes were common. To make matters worse, lease agreements were often buried inside larger contract packages, making them hard to find, track, and classify. And with new regulations from the Financial Accounting Standards Board, the company now had to extract over 350 data fields weekly just to stay compliant. The stakes were high. Any delays or errors could mean financial penalties or risks to future funding. That's when AI stepped in. Working with Aisling, the company found a smarter way. Aisling brought together AbbeyVantage, SS and C Blue Prism, and GPT-4 Turbo to create a powerful automation solution. AbbeyVantage played a key role from the start. It's built to work with all kinds of documents, PDFs, scanned images, even email attachments. Vantage quickly made sense of the messy, unstructured files. It used machine learning to sort them, recognize layouts, and find the right sections, like the addresses of properties or important dates hidden deep in the text. Then GPT-4 joined in. With the help of Vantage's output, it could focus on understanding the content, reading it like a human would, and extracting key fields with great accuracy. Blue Prism's bots took that data and entered it into the lease system. No human input needed. This complete solution, designed by Aisling using top AI tools, showed how teamwork between people and tech can solve real business problems. The result? 30,000 leased documents handled each year with 82% accuracy, automatically. For the remaining 18%, AbbeyVantage sends them to its manual review station, where human experts quickly verify and correct the data. Less manual work, fewer mistakes, and faster results. With less time spent on boring tasks, employees can now focus on more valuable work. That was just one example of how AbbeyVantage is helping businesses overcome complex, time-consuming processes with speed and accuracy. With AbbeyVantage, businesses can automate complex document tasks, reduce errors, and improve decision-making. Trusted by top companies worldwide, Abbey helps organizations work smarter and stay competitive. From banking to hospitals to supply chains, AI helps speed up compliance, extract patient insights, and streamline shipping, all while improving accuracy and freeing up human talent for strategic work. The possibilities are expanding every day.